Welcome, welcome to Simcast. Welcome to Round the Clock Chef. And this is Chef Tony. Today I will be making flatbread pizza, homemade. Pretty much any flavor you like, any kind of toppings. I'm gonna show you how. First off, you preheat your oven, you put it on 350, 375. Find you a nice sheet pan. I like to put aluminum foil on the pan, spray that, or you oil that with olive oil, just to make sure that the flatbread don't stick. First, you take your flatbread, whichever toppings you choose. Me, I like, the simple, the basics, the sausage and pepperoni, kind of the combination. So first you get your sauce. I like to use, sometimes I like to use my own homemade tomato sauce. I get the tomato paste, put a little basil in there, a little diced tomatoes, kind of puree that and turn it into a sauce, season. Spread that across. Then you take your shredded cheese, whichever kind you like. If you like mozzarella, cheddar, or even just a mixture between both. I like to do that myself. Then you take your pepperoni, you place that down. You take your sausage. I like to use Italian sausage. Sometimes I use the links or the ground sausage, where you just take it out. Pretty much make your own sausage and the toppings, and then you put it on. Then next you sprinkle with a little basil, a little seasoning, give a little flavor into it. Put a little bit of cheese if you like, and then pop it in the oven. Pretty much after like 15, 20 minutes, you can pretty much look and check, see when it's golden brown and when the cheese is melted. Pull it out. Let it cool off for about 5 minutes. You can take your pizza cutter, slice it however you want. Then the last step, you just taste it. And there you have it. Homemade flatbread pizza. Simply delicious. And I'm Chef Tony. And thank you. And until the next time, check me out, subscribe.